Alrighty guys, welcome back. Just got done putting in the train horns. These are like $100 on Amazon. Not super expensive, but pretty cool. I had to dent one of the horns to get it to fit behind the grill, so kind of a bummer, but got it in there, got it all wired up. Got the compressor right behind the bumper here. Still got another bracket I gotta put in here, but I'm gonna just crawl underneath here real quick so you can kind of see where it sits. Right between the frame rails, in between the plow mounts there. I just bolted it right to the bumper, but I'm going to make a bracket that comes out to these legs here and then bolt something to the frame or weld it, or just go all the way across with something. But it's good and sturdy for now. It's there, it's not going nowhere. Jump back up here and just followed the plow wiring all the way into the firewall. There's tons of wire in this thing because I got so much stuff in this thing. And right through the firewall, inside. Of course, it's the 4th of July tomorrow, so I got the flags up. And got my conglomeration of buttons. I've got my plug-in for my USB, got my subwoofer control, got my fog lights under here for the night lights, and then I got the train horn. And let's give it a push. There goes the compressor. Operational. Till next time.